Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically post to 1000 Facebook groups using the MKT Care software. Do you already have a list of Facebook group UIDs and want to post automatically to multiple groups at once? With MKT Care V2, everything is optimized in just a few clicks. First, open the MKT Care V2 software and go to the Post to Groups by UID section. Then, select the Facebook account you want to use, ideally, an account that has been properly warmed up to avoid checkpoints. Next, enter your post content. You can attach images, videos, product links, or use spin tags to create unique variations and avoid duplication. Paste your list of group UIDs into the corresponding field. Set the delay time between posts, around 30 to 60 seconds is recommended for safety, and choose how many groups you want to post to. Once everything is set up, simply click Start. The software will automatically enter each group and post your content just like a real user. You don't need to manually search for groups or worry about spam or account locks, because the process is fully automated and optimized. For better results, it's recommended to split your campaign into smaller batches instead of posting too aggressively. If you have multiple Facebook accounts, you can rotate them to cover hundreds of groups per day while keeping everything safe, for even more optimization. You can combine MKT Care V2 with account farming tools and auto IP changers, ensuring a stable system that won't get blocked. This is a powerful solution for affiliate marketers, online sellers, or anyone looking to drive traffic from Facebook communities. Need help with installation or setup? Just inbox me.